Hi, this is a short video tutorial which will help you understand how to create a free account on tradingview.com website, and you will also understand how to access Akshaya Patra indicator tool inside your account. The first thing you have to do is go to this website tradingview.com as you see on the screen and click on get started. Once you click on get started, you will be asked to sign up with your email ID. Please remember, like every other website, tradingview.com also offers a free account and also paid memberships which have different levels. You do not need the paid accounts. You can continue to use the free account as long as you want, absolutely free. Of course, there will definitely be some limitations because it's a free account, but that's okay. Maybe after a year, if you see that there's a need for you to use more features on this website, then you can choose to upgrade your account. But my suggestion is continue with the free account as long as possible. So click on the sign up button. Once you click on it, you'll be asked to sign up with Google or Facebook, or if you have your Twitter or Yahoo account or Apple account or LinkedIn or with an email, you can choose any of them to sign up. During the sign up process, you'll be asked to enter your username, password, all that. So please complete it. Now once you complete it, then you will be able to log in. Let me now log into one of my accounts. See here, there is a sign in button here. I just have to click on that sign in button to reach this page, and I click on Google because I want to sign in with your Gmail account. So I'm using one of my Gmail accounts here. I'm now signed in. Observe, I'm signed in, I'm logged in. Now here you have a search box. Just click on this. This window will open. Click on any of this, doesn't matter. The first one, as I see here, is Bank Nifty. Let me click on that. Click on any of them. This page will open with the chart, the price chart. Observe. And on this page, you will see various items. Don't get confused. Do not panic. Nothing to worry. We will give you access to a complete course which will help you understand all the features on TradingView website. That course will also help you understand how to use TradingView website. Don't worry. But for now, once you log in, go to the top left hand side. You see here, you're logged in. I am logged in as Bhaskar Karampudi. Click on the letter that you see. See, my name starts with Bhaskar, the letter B. So B is shown here. In your case, based on the first letter of your name, that letter will be shown here. Click on it. Once you click, you will see your username here. Then click on this profile. In the drop down window that appears, click on the profile. Once you click on profile, you will reach this page. This is my username. Likewise, you will also have your username displayed there. Understood? So what you need to do is, when you send the email to us, there are three things that you have to share with us on the email. Number one, your name, your mobile number. Number two, the transaction details of the payment that you made. Did you make for a monthly subscription plan or 6 months or annual? How much payment did you do? Through which mode have you done it? Phone Pay, Google Pay or Paytm, or through the Razorpay link we shared, remember. And if you have a transaction ID, also mention the transaction ID along with the payment mode. Number three, the third thing you have to send us is the username of your TradingView account. This is your username. In my case, it is B Karampudi. Mention the username. Also take a screenshot. In your computer, there will be something called snipping tool. Just take a screenshot of this, like this. Take the screenshot, and this you send it to us on the email as an attachment. That's all we need. Got it? Once you send these three, in about 2 to 3 hours time, maximum half a day time, my team will activate your access to Akshay Patra. I hope you understood how to create your free account on TradingView website and how to access your username. Is that clear? Wonderful. Now that we understood creating account and also accessing your username, let us now see how to access Akshay Patra in your account. Now click on the search box, click on any of the stocks that appear there. First I see is Bank Nifty. I've clicked on it. Now go to this section called indicators at the top. Here at the top, indicators, and in that section you will see here at the bottom, you will see a section which says invite only scripts, right? This invite only script will be visible only if your access to Akshay Patra is activated by our team. If we have not yet activated your access, you will not see this section at all. Now once you see this section invite only scripts, click on it, and then you will see candle signals Akshay Patra. Notice this. This is the magical tool that you have subscribed for. To start using it, you just have to click on it. Only once, just click on it. Automatically, if you close this window, you will see Akshay Patra has started working. Of course, because it's a free account, TradingView website will start showing lot of pop-ups in between. Close them, we don't need. And sometimes a pop-up will come and it will say, please upgrade your account, make payment, take a paid account. We don't need it. Free account is more than enough. So observe here, candle signals Akshay Patra. You will see this name here, and the alerts are already being displayed. The beauty of Akshay Patra is all the alerts given by the tool in the past also will be visible to you, right? All of them are visible, so you can go back, cross check and see how it is working. You can also do back testing, which we will discuss in the orientation session. Now if you put your mouse on this Akshay Patra tool and click on this eye symbol, that will result in hiding it. So if I hide it, observe this is the actual price chart. We are looking at Bank Nifty. You can type any stock name. Click on this Bank Nifty. For example, let's say I want to look at Reliance. So I just have to type here Reliance Industries, NSE. This is the name of the exchange, NSE, BSE. I want to look at NSE. So Reliance Industries, I select this, and this is the price chart for Reliance. Observe, this is the price chart for Reliance. Of course, we are on the 15-minute time frame. You can change the time frame here, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 1 day, etc. Got it? Now to understand all the features in this website, we have already created a course, TradingView tutorial, which will be given to you. You will have access to it. Don't worry, all that I'll explain during the orientation session. Once you hide Akshay Patra, you will not see any alerts. Once you unhide it, then you will see the alerts, the sell alert, right, the buy alert, and also the trend direction alert. This line here indicates the trend direction. Green means bullish, red means bearish. Rest of it we will discuss in the orientation. Okay. So what you have to do is send us the screenshot of your username, clearly showing the username. Type it separately in the email. Send us your transaction details of the payment done. Also mention your name and mobile number. Within half a day, my team will get back to you they will activate access in your account based on your username. They can activate access on TradingView website to Akshay Patra, and they'll send you a confirmation mail saying access is activated. Then you log into your account on TradingView, go to the indicator section, go to the invite only scripts. There you will see Akshay Patra. Click on it. You will see the magic work. Wonderful. Thanks a lot. We'll catch up in the orientation session.